My name is Arman from Inspire Academic Service, HSL Award. Today, we are going to study 7 important questions which have the high chances to be appearing on our exams, and what maybe among the 7 questions may be appearing. So, let's start from our first question. What are the effects of cyclones? Maybe from yesterday, tomorrow, you might get what are the effects of cyclones. Might you get floods, landslides, earthquake, coastal erosion. Of course, they all are natural disaster. So they're going to have the same natural consequences, right? So let's start from our answers. Loss of life. Life gonna suffer. Shit. Sachin, see man, you are gonna suffer if coastal erosion happen, landslide happen. Yes or no? You're gonna suffer, right? Loss of property. Property gonna get destroyed. It's common sense. If earthquake happen, not I'm gonna stand like this, I'm gonna shake. Property is gonna destroy. It's common sense. Loss of crops. Loss of vegetation. Crops gonna alternately suffer. Vegetation. Farmers gonna suffer. Destroy diseases. Dam to communication. Destroy transport system. You know, because of earthquake and floods, the railway tracks used to get detached, and which causes many such as railway accidents, which is happening recent year. These are the causes of flood, landslide, earthquake, and coastal. Maybe tomorrow you can see what are the effect of cyclones. There is a possibility floods. There is a possibility landslide. There is also a possibility earthquake, which has the higher chances. What are the effect of earthquake and what are the effect of coastal erosion? If this question appears, you are going to write the same answer to these questions. So next question: what are the aims? Objective, purpose. It is aims, objective, purpose of same meanings. Like name, hesaru, and naam. Same. Aims, objective, and purpose of same meanings. If tomorrow you see aim, objective, and purpose, it have same meaning, no differences. What are the aims of DVC? What is meant by DVC? Sachin, what is meant by DVC? See Sachin, if not now, never pa uddhar agappa jeevanadalli. Purpose of DVC andre Damodar Valley project, Bakranangal Dam, Kosi River Valley project, Nagarjuna Sagar project, Hirakud Dam, Tungabhadra project, and multipurpose River Valley project. They all are River Valley project, but name is different. They all are River Valley project. They have the same work to do, but they have different names. Like you can consider this situation: Indian government, Russian government, American government. There are different types of government. Their job is to serve public, but they have different name. India, Australia, America, same wise, they have different name, but their function is same. Control flood. It will control the flood. That's the main purpose of this valley project. Fishing. Fish karta na, fishing bitata na, fishing. Afforestation. Plants cut nahi karna. Control of soil erosion. Domestic use. Entertainment means एक अच्छा टूरिस्ट स्पॉट बन जाता है प्रोजेक्ट. पक्का कल आएगा, एक मेरी गारंटी. सचिन आएगा नहीं आएगा? 100% आएगा. Which factors influence the location of industries, iron and steel industry, aluminum industry, cotton and sugar industry, paper industry? It means these are all industries. Sachin, look here. Nodappa, Sachin, if not now, nan kayali en agalla. What are the factors influence the location of industries? Means if you want to establish an industry, what are the things you need to establish an industry? What are things you need, Sachin?
Power, transport, communication.
No, I don't have any open. Leave. So remember this: PTM, WCC. That much only. 3 marks came to your hand. PTM, WCC. Now you are asking what is the PTM? Sachin, what is the meaning of PTM?
Parents meeting. Parent-teachers meeting.
I know you are more scaring of parent-teacher meeting, but remember this PTM. You will not fear PTM only. PTM means power, transport, raw material. WCC. What is the meaning of WCC? Water, capital, and communication. These are the materials. These are the things. These are the first things which you need to establish an industry. You remember this? It is 100% appearing question. 3 marks confirm. Sachin, did you got me?
Yes.
What you got?
3 marks.
If it comes for 4 marks, it will come for 4 marks. Technical example, it will come for 4 marks. Next question. So look at the fourth question. At first question, already we have learned the effects of cyclones, floods, landslides. Now, if there is effect, like if there is some result, something precaution you should have, right? Some precaution means if floods is happening, you're gonna suffer a huge loss. You're gonna suffer huge. So to stop that huge, you should have some precautionary measure, right? So our fourth question is: what are the precautionary measures to be taken for cyclone, flood, earthquake, landslide, coastal erosion? They all have the same effect. So they all have the same precautionary measure, right? Let's look into the answer. Afforestation, avoid minings, creating awareness, temporary shelters, medical help. Sachin, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಫಾರೆಸ್ಟೇಷನ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ cyclones, landslide is taking place, we should inform them first only. It is gonna take place at this time. You should be careful from it. Temporary shelters. Shelter should be provided to the peoples because they should be protected from landslide because they are very dangerous. It causes a huge loss to the economic growth of the country. Medical help, supply of food and supply of water. These are the questions. These are the answers you can write for cyclones, flood, earthquake, and landslide question. So that much only. Next question, देखना. What were the aims, teachings, and objectives? I said it before. Aims, teachings, objective, purpose. सबका मतलब सेम है. सचिन पता चला? किसका मतलब सेम है? ऑब्जेक्टिव, पर्पस और क्या एम्स, सबका मतलब सेम होता है. ठीक है. व्हाट वर द एम्स, टीचिंग्स, ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ब्राह्मण समाज. हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ ब्राह्मण समाज? राजा राममोहन रॉय. आर्य समाज, प्रार्थना समाज, सत्यशोधक समाज, अलीगढ़ मूवमेंट, रामकृष्ण मिशन, यंग बंगाल मूवमेंट. सबका एक ही पर्पस है. सबका एक ही पर्पस है. सचिन मालूम पड़ा? सचिन, सबका एक ही पर्पस होता है. क्या होता है? मोनोथिज्म, बिलीविंग इन सिंगल गॉड. Oppose polytheism, not believing in single god. Oppose to polygamy. Sachin, do you do polygamy? What is the meaning of polygamy? एक से ज्यादा शादी करना. Oppose to polygamy. Oppose of meaningless rituals. जिसका कोई मतलब नहीं है वो रिचुअल फॉलो करना. वो रिचुअल नहीं फॉलो करना, वही था इन सब समाजों के एक मोटिवेशन. इक्वालिटी अमंग मैन एंड वुमेन, बिलीविंग इन जेंडर इक्वालिटी. बस यही आएगा. देख लो, इसमें तो कोई ना कोई पक्का आएगा. ब्राह्मण समाज आएगा, आर्य समाज में आएगा या प्रार्थना समाज. देख क्या है पता चला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आओ. व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफर्ड बाय बैंक? बैंक का क्या यूजेस है? यूजेस ऑफ बैंक, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बैंक, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ बैंक, सब सेम है. सबका मतलब ही सेम है. यूजेस ले लो, एडवांटेज ले लो, इंपॉर्टेंस ले लो, पर्पस ऑफ बैंक, सबका मतलब ही सेम होता है. क्या आता है? ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी. सब ये जनरल नॉलेज है. बैंक में क्या कर रहा है सबको पता. हमारी मम्मी पापा यूज करते हैं. ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी, सेफ डिपॉजिट लॉकर, प्रोवाइडिंग लोन्स देता है, सबको पता है. सेफ्टी ऑफ मनी, मनी को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. रेमिटेंस ऑफ मनी, डिस्काउंटिंग ऑफ बिल्स पेमेंट कम करने में काम आता है. सबको पता है, वो कॉमन सेंस है. सचिन कॉमन सेंस है तुझे? है. ठीक है. एक्सेप्टिंग ऑफ डिपॉजिट, मेकिंग पेमेंट्स, ये सब भी है फंक्शंस, यूजेस, इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ बैंक. कुछ भी आए यही आंसर लिखना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. लिस्ट द नॉन टैक्स रेवेन्यू सोर्स ऑफ द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सबको पता है हर एक चीज में टैक्स लगता है. ये जो बोर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं इसमें भी टैक्स लगा है. टेबल सब में टैक्स लगा है. पर क्या गवर्नमेंट किसमें टैक्स नहीं चार्ज करता? ये इसके क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है. वो गवर्नमेंट अपने और अपने ही डिपार्टमेंट में गवर्नमेंट टैक्स चार्ज नहीं करते. सबको पता है क्या है. पोस्ट ऑफिस गवर्नमेंट का ऑफिस है, वो चार्ज नहीं करेगा, वो हमारे से चार्ज करेगा. ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, गवर्नमेंट का ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम चार्ज नहीं करेगा. पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स, आरबीआई. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आरबीआई? सचिन फेल हो जाएगा. नहीं, तू पढ़ेगा तो पास होगा. तू पढ़ ले, पास हो जाएगा. आरबीआई, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब गवर्नमेंट किस किस डिपार्टमेंट में टैक्स चार्ज नहीं करता. पोस्ट ऑफिस, ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम, पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स, आरबीआई. तुम चाहे तो और भी लिख सकता है. बस अब क्या मतलब, एग्जाम में जाओ, पेपर लो, फाड़ कर घर में आकर बोलो मम्मी मैंने बेस्ट एग्जाम दिया अपने लाइफ का. बस